Breakout Rooms. So Breakout Rooms is a feature that you've got access to if you're a host in a Zoom meeting. And if I just mouse over, I can see that I've got Breakout Rooms there. If I want another person on the call to be using Breakout Rooms, I need to make them a co-host. So for example, I could look at Miriam and change her to a co-host. And it would make her a co-host now, and she could launch Breakout Rooms. To launch Breakout Rooms is really easy. All you need to do is click on the Breakout Rooms icon, and you have an option to automatically or manually assign them. If you automatically assign them, it will tell you how many rooms that it will put them in. And then I need to click Create Breakout Rooms. On here, it will show me a list of the 2 breakout rooms I've got and the different people in them. If I want to change a person into a different breakout room, I can click Exchange and say who I want to move it with. Also, I could just move a person into another breakout room. Once I've done that, I'm going to open all rooms. And you'll see now people start disappearing into all the different groups. Now, one of the features that I can do is, as a host, I can move and join a different breakout room. So I can move into a different room and it will see me in the room. I can also broadcast a message to different rooms. So preparing to move back. And that will show on everybody's room. Finally, when I'm ready to close it, I click Close All Rooms. And you can see they have 60 seconds to all come back into the main session. And you'll see people popping up now into the main room. So I can return to the main session now, and everyone's in the main room. A few more things to know. If I go into breakout rooms, I've got a few options. So if I click options, I can move all participants into breakout rooms automatically, as I showed earlier. I can change how long people have to leave breakout rooms. I can also have a countdown timer and how long breakout rooms last for. One final thing you can do is you can pre-populate a breakout room. So if I want to pre-populate them, I go to the web browser and I go to the meeting in question. And then I scroll down, click Edit the Meeting. And then I've got Breakout Room Reassigned. And I can add a CSV file into there. Now the CSV file is just the names of the rooms and the email addresses. And then when you create the breakout rooms, you've got access to add them all in. So that's how to use breakout rooms. Thanks for everybody for helping, and goodbye.